Good morning guys, this is Katie and welcome to day 10 of Vlogmas. So if we haven't met before, my name is Katie. I am a primary school teacher at international school here in Bangkok and I vlog about my life here with my husband. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, then make sure you hit subscribe. So yeah, it is now, what day is it today? It's a Wednesday guys. This week has been so strange. We have Monday off, we have Thursday off for national holidays here in Thailand. And because of that, our day schedule has changed. So today, instead of being a Wednesday, it was actually a Friday timetable, which is very confusing. But yeah, it is a Wednesday. I have tomorrow off, which is great. We are, I'm not sure, this evening we were planning Cal wants to get his hair cut and then we might go to a restaurant called Best Beef. We might do this evening or we might do it on Friday. It depends on how much work we get done today because I've got quite a bit of blog work to do. There are some videos for Creative Travel Guide that I'm behind on doing, so it depends if we get them done in time. If not, we will relax. I will finish off my tree because I still haven't finished my Christmas tree, guys. I put it up yesterday and I feel like when I get home from work, evenings just disappear. Anyways, on that note, it is a Wednesday. My advent for today is Roll a Christmas. Now, I'll be honest, my original plan for this was to do a activity where they rolled a dice and they created like a Christmas story, and I might do that in my literacy lesson for children who have finished their fantasy stories, but not all the children have, so some of the children will do that. But also we have, at the end of the day, they are meant to have an assembly time on a Friday, but obviously they're not going to have an assembly today because it's actually a Wednesday and they still have a Friday as normal. So in our assembly time, we are going to make some baubles. So me and my colleague Katie, also called Katie, have bought these clear plastic baubles, and the children are going to decorate them, put glitter and tinsel and sparkles in them, and then they can take them home as a decoration for their home. So I thought that'd be a really nice activity to do today. It means that they can get a bit creative. They seem to be really enjoying the advent calendars. I'm sure some of the children are watching this video, so if you are watching it, let me know if you're enjoying this video, guys. But yeah, so I'm going to put this up and then I need to proofread reports, so that should be a fun morning. Hi guys, so it is now 4:45 and I'm home. I haven't really vlogged much today because it's been a super busy day, but I'm going to quickly edit my vlog from yesterday and then I'm going to finish off decorating our apartment because I managed to put the tree up yesterday and that was about it. Tomorrow I have a day off, so that should be nice. I can catch up with lots of bits of blog work and stuff like that. But yeah, so I'm going to get on with some bits and bobs and I shall see you in a bit. Right guys, the lights are done. Yes, the Grinch is back on. I started watching this yesterday, then food came. So I'm still watching the Grinch. Lights are on. Now for the baubles. Now if you watched our Saturday video, we were looking at different types of baubles and we went for a silver and a blue theme. But I feel like this bauble might be a little bit too big for this skinny tree. We shall see. decorations up now, guys. Got a few more bits and bobs to pop up, but I shall put them up probably tomorrow. Anyway, I shall finish off this video here. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, make sure you give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe, and I shall see you tomorrow. Bye!
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.